Do you know how to talk about your favorite food in English? After this lesson, you'll be able to explain any food like a native, easily and confidently.
Hey, Nathan. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about how to talk about favorite food in English today. Probably because I woke up hungry.
Oh my gosh, same. Hi, everyone watching. I'm Nora.
And I'm Nathan. Welcome back. Today we're talking about something super fun and super delicious, favorite food, and how to talk about it in simple English.
But before we start, let's warm up with a little small talk, because food topics always make people talk more naturally. So tell me, did you eat breakfast today?
Well, kind of. I had a piece of toast. Just one.
Only one? Why?
Because the second piece fell on the floor.
No, the classic toast drops butter side down problem.
Yes, always. Like gravity hates breakfast.
My morning was the opposite. I made a huge breakfast. Eggs, fruit, yogurt, everything.
Wow, fancy morning.
Not really. I just woke up hungry. And when I'm hungry, my brain turns into a food machine.
Same here. And food is actually a great English topic for beginners.
Yes, people love talking about food. It's easy, it's fun, and it's something everyone understands.
So, favorite food is one of the first things people talk about when learning English.
Oh, yes. People always ask, what's your favorite food? What do you like to eat? What's something you love?
And you don't need difficult vocabulary to answer. Just simple words.
Exactly. So today, we'll talk like two friends, nice and slow, so you can learn how to talk about your favorite food in English. All right, let's start with the big question. What's your favorite food?
Okay, I'll go first. My favorite food is pizza.
Classic. Everybody loves pizza.
I know. Pizza's like the universal language.
It really is. What kind of pizza?
Pepperoni. And sometimes Hawaiian.
Wait. You like pineapple on pizza?
Yes, pineapple is delicious.
We cannot be friends anymore.
Come on, Nora, don't be dramatic.
I'm just kidding, but I will judge you a little.
See, that's how we naturally talk about favorite food in English.
Yes, very simple sentences like, I love pizza. I like spicy food. My favorite food is pasta. I enjoy sweet snacks.
You don't need advanced vocabulary. Just simple verbs like love, like, enjoy, prefer.
And simple descriptions like salty, sweet, spicy, crispy, soft, hot, cold.
Okay, your turn, Nora. What's your favorite food?
Okay, don't laugh, but my favorite food is soup.
Soup. That's so cute.
I know. Most people say pizza, burgers, pasta, big, exciting foods. But me, I just want a warm bowl of soup
Why soup?
because it makes me feel safe, cozy, comfortable, like a hug in a bowl.
That's actually sweet.
My grandma used to make soup for me when I was sick, so maybe that's why I love it so much. Food is emotional, you know?
Yes, food connects to memories.
When you talk about your favorite food in English, you can describe feelings. Like, it reminds me of home. It makes me happy. It tastes relaxing. It feels warm.
Exactly. Food is not just food, it's feelings.
Okay, let me confess something. There's one food I love too much.
Uh-oh, what is it?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Yes, you and cookies have a long relationship.
A very long relationship. Sometimes a dangerous relationship.
What do you mean?
Once I baked cookies at 11 p.m. 11 p.m.
Why?
Because my brain said, we need cookies now. And my body agreed.
And did you eat them all?
Yes.
That's amazing.
Not amazing. I woke up the next day like, why do I feel like a cookie?
See, you can talk about food using stories. It makes the conversation fun.
Yes. You can say, I tried it once. I ate too much. I couldn't stop eating. It was delicious. It was terrible.
These sentences are easy and perfect for beginners.
Let's talk about childhood food because kids have strong opinions.
Oh, yes. As a kid, my favorite food was macaroni and cheese.
Ooh, a classic American favorite.
And my mom made it extra cheesy. So I used to yell, Mom, more cheese, like a tiny dictator.
A cheesy dictator.
Exactly.
For me, my favorite childhood food was peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Oh, yes. Very American.
I ate one every single day. Every single day.
You were a loyal customer.
So when you talk about food you like, you can say, I like, I love, I really like, I'm a big fan of.
And when you talk about food you don't like, I don't like, I'm not a fan of, I don't really enjoy, it's not my favorite.
Yes, these are polite.
And friendly. For example, I can say, I'm not a big fan of olives because honestly, olives taste like salty little surprises that I didn't ask for.
You just insulted all olives everywhere.
I know. I'm sorry, olives.
For me, I'm not a big fan of super spicy food.
Oh, yes. You turned red like a tomato.
I do. One bite and suddenly I need water, ice, a fan, and emotional support.
Another useful thing is learning how to compare foods.
Right. Like using better than, more delicious than, healthier than, less spicy than.
For example, pizza is better than burgers for me, or soup is healthier than pizza.
Yes. And you can compare using feelings too.
Like pasta makes me happier than salad, or I feel more satisfied after rice than bread.
Simple, clear, natural.
Another place where you talk about food a lot is restaurants.
Yes.
So let's add some simple restaurant sentences.
You can say, I'd like, I want, can I have, I'll take.
For example, I'd like a burger. Can I have a salad? I want chicken soup.
And if you want to talk about the food afterward, you can say, it tastes great. It's delicious. It's too salty. It's perfect. It's fresh.
Or if it's bad, it's a little cold, it's too spicy, it's not what I expected. Americans use that last sentence a lot. It's not what I expected. It's polite for, I don't like this.
Yes, very polite way of complaining. One time I ordered food and I didn't know the portion was huge. Huge. I thought I ordered a small salad, but it came in a bowl the size of a swimming pool.
The American portion size experience.
Exactly. I looked at the waiter like, sir, are you feeding a human or a dinosaur?
Did you finish it?
No, I ate like 20%, maybe 15%.
That's still impressive. Another fun thing is talking about food you tried for the first time.
Yes, you can say, I tried it once. It was new for me. It was strange at first, but I liked it. Or I didn't like it.
For example, I tried sushi when I was a teenager. At first, I thought, raw fish? Really? But then I tried it, and I loved it.
Same. I tried it in college. I was scared at first. I thought it would taste like the ocean punched me in the face. What an image. But no, it was gentle, soft, delicate, very nice.
You know what? We talk about food like it's just taste. But food is emotional too.
Yes. Food makes us feel things. Safe, happy, comfortable, loved.
Some foods remind us of home. Some remind us of family. Some remind us of special people.
For example, apple pie reminds me of my mom. She made it every Thanksgiving. The smell means family to me.
Ah, that's sweet. For me, rice and curry reminds me of my childhood. The smell makes me feel warm inside.
See? When you talk about favorite food, you can talk about your memories too.
You know, all this food talk makes me think, food isn't just food. It's culture. It's love. It's family. It's memories.
Exactly. And when you talk about your favorite food in English, you're not just using vocabulary, you're sharing a piece of your life.
And the best part? You don't need perfect English to talk about food.
No, even simple sentences work beautifully. Things like, I like this. I don't like that. This tastes good. This reminds me of home. I love this because it makes me happy.
That's all you need. Clear, simple, honest English.
And when you describe the taste or the smell or the memory behind it, you sound natural, like a real English speaker.
You know what? Let's end with one last question. A simple one, but powerful.
Okay, go ahead.
What food makes you feel loved?
Tomato soup. Because when I was sick as a kid, my grandma made it for me. So when I eat it now, I feel safe. I feel warm. Like someone is wrapping a blanket around me.
Ah, that's beautiful. For me, it's warm rice with curry. My mom made it almost every night. When I smell it, I feel like I'm home again, even if I'm far away.
That's the magic of food. It can take you back in time.
And that's why talking about your favorite food in English is more than grammar. It's storytelling.
It's connection. It's emotion. It's human.
So if you're learning English and you want to sound natural, start with food. It's one of the easiest and most enjoyable topics.
Use simple words. Speak slowly. Share your memory. Share your feeling. Share your taste.
And don't worry about mistakes. Food conversations are friendly and fun. You can't fail.
Exactly. If you love pizza, say it proudly. If you love soup like me, celebrate it. If you love spicy food, sweet food, soft food, crunchy food, tell your story.
And most of all, enjoy the conversation.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We hope today's talk helped you feel more confident when speaking English.
We're always cheering for you. You're doing great. Keep learning. Keep growing.
And maybe treat yourself to your favorite food today. You deserve it.
See you in the next video, everyone.
Bye for now.